Are you ready for the future? Because it's coming faster than you think. From driverless cars hitting the streets, to robots taking over our workplaces, to sophisticated search capabilities, technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. And in 2023, we're going to see some breakthroughs that'll change the way we live and work. And no surprise, Elon Musk is involved in several of them. In this video, we're going to look at some of the most exciting predictions for the upcoming year and what they mean for you. From large language models revolutionizing search, to humanoid robots becoming more prevalent in our daily lives, to the data shortage in AI language models, get ready to be amazed and learn about the future of technology in 2023. So, don't just sit there, come along for the ride and let's dive into the world of tomorrow. Prediction 1. GPT-4 will be released in the next couple of months. And yes, it'll be a big deal. Rumors have been flying recently about GPT-4, the next generation of the Elon Musk founded company OpenAI's powerful generative language model. This new model is said to not only surpass GPT-3 and 3.5, but to set a new standard for performance in the field. The hype surrounding GPT-4 is expected to be off the charts and could even eclipse the excitement seen with the release of ChatGPT. What will GPT-4 be like? It is difficult to predict exactly what GPT-4 will be like, as there is no official information about its development or release. However, researchers have found that bigger isn't always better, and that training data trumps model size. So, GPT-4 may be a lean, mean language processing machine, like a supermodel on a diet. What does that mean for us? Well, it could be that GPT-4 will be more efficient and able to understand more context with fewer data. Or maybe it'll be like a mini GPT-3 that packs a punch but takes up less space. We can only wait and see. So let's put on our thinking caps and anticipate the arrival of the newest and most advanced language model yet. Who knows? GPT-4 might just blow our minds. Language models, they're like the supermodels of the AI world. And today's top models have been trained on some seriously massive datasets. GPT-3, Jurassic, and Megatron Turing have gobbled up token counts ranging from 300 to 570 billion. These models are the creme de la creme when it comes to language processing, but it takes a lot of computational power and resources to train them. So just like a supermodel needs to maintain their physique, these models need to be fed with massive datasets to perform at their best. It is possible that GPT-4 will be multimodal, able to work with images, videos, and other types of data, not just text. Imagine GPT-4 being able to create an image from a text prompt or answer questions about a video like a true Renaissance AI. But who knows? It might just stick to the text and become the language prodigy we've all been waiting for. One thing we can be sure of, GPT-4 is going to have a memory like an elephant, able to recall and refer to previous conversations with ease. And it could be a master of summarization, able to distill a mountain of information into a few key points. So whether it's a jack of all trades or a language specialist, GPT-4 is sure to impress. But until its official release, we can only speculate and hope that it's as good as the rumors say. Prediction 2. We are going to start running out of data to train large language models. Data is a new oil. It's a cliche, but it's true. Both resources are valuable, but there's one major difference. Data is renewable, and oil is not. In AI, language models need lots of data to work, and with the growing demand comes the pressure to acquire more. This raises concerns about ethical use and potential bias. To avoid these unintended consequences, we need to ensure that data is diverse, representative, and ethically sourced. How much more language data is out there, and how much of it is good enough to train our language models? This is a challenging question to answer with precision. But according to one research group, the world's total stock of high-quality text data is between 4.6 trillion and 17.2 trillion tokens. While we've been busy training our language models to understand and speak like humans, we might have overlooked one important thing: the amount of data available to train them. Leading AI researchers and entrepreneurs are worried that we might be reaching the limit of high-quality language data. However, we're not out of options yet. Expect to see a lot of data hunting activity soon as researchers try to find new ways to keep the language AI train running. One idea is to create synthetic data, like Frankenstein's monster but for language models. Another is to transcribe all the meetings in the world. Imagine the amount of data we could collect from just one meeting with your boss. So, let's keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. Who knows? Maybe we'll find a data goldmine and language AI will reach new heights. Prediction 3. For the first time, the general public will begin using autonomous vehicles as a primary source of transportation. The future of transportation is here, and it's driverless. After years of anticipation, autonomous vehicles have finally arrived. Imagine hailing a car just like you would with Uber or Lyft, but this time, there's no driver behind the wheel. It's a reality today, as companies like Cruise, owned by General Motors, have made it possible for people to hail a driverless car in select areas of San Francisco. This is a huge step towards the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles, and it's only the beginning. Cruise, the company owned by General Motors, currently offers driverless rides only at night, but they're planning to expand their service to be available 24/7 throughout San Francisco soon. And they're not alone. Waymo, Alphabet's self-driving car division, is also in the race. Moving on to 2023, robo-taxi services will become more prevalent, making it a convenient way to get around the city. It'll be like having your own personal driver, but better. Imagine no more traffic, no more parking, and no more waiting for a ride. With more autonomous vehicles on the road, it'll be like living in a futuristic movie. Prediction 4. Evolution of search engines. Searching online is like a treasure hunt, and the treasure is the information you're looking for. But what if the treasure map was a language model? With the advancements in language models like GPT-3, searching for information has become more sophisticated. These large language models can read and write with a level of comprehension and fluency that was once thought impossible. It's almost like having a personal librarian who can understand you and retrieve the information you need. The implications of this development are far-reaching, and it'll have a significant impact on how we interact with digital information. One of the most exciting developments in search technology in the wake of chatgpt is the idea of conversational search. This concept shifts the traditional search experience, where users enter a query and receive a list of links, to a more dynamic and interactive conversation with an AI agent. So why enter a query and get back a long list of links like the current Google experience if you could instead have a dynamic conversation with an AI agent to find what you're looking for? Hue.com, Character.ai, Metaphor, and Perplexity are among the wave of promising young startups looking to take on Google and reinvent consumer search with LLMs and conversational interfaces. But consumer internet search is not the only type of search that LLMs will transform. The future of enterprise search is here, and it's using language models. With the help of LLMs, it's now possible to search for information based on concepts and contexts, not just keywords. Imagine being able to find the needle in the haystack with ease. This will make enterprise search more powerful and efficient, saving you time and increasing productivity. With these new semantic search capabilities, finding information will be like the game of Where's Waldo, but with better results. Startups like Hebia and Glean are leading the charge to transform enterprise search using large language models. Despite the tremendous growth and advancements in technology over the past 2 decades, search has remained relatively stagnant. But with the emergence of large language models, we are on the cusp of a new era in search. These models have the potential to revolutionize the way we search for information, make it more sophisticated and intuitive. Expect to see significant changes in search capabilities, providing more accurate and personalized results and transforming the way we interact with digital information soon. Finally, Prediction 5. Humanoid robot development. The humanoid robot is perhaps the definitive symbol of Hollywood's exaggerated, dramatized depiction of artificial intelligence. And to our surprise, they're fast becoming a reality. But why make robots look like humans? Because it's the easiest way for them to take over the world. Just kidding. But in all seriousness, have you ever wondered why robots are designed to look like us? The main reason is that we built the world for ourselves, and if robots are going to help us in our daily lives, it makes sense for them to have the same physical capabilities as us. Imagine a robot that can navigate through our world as easily as we do. That's why when you see robots in factories, malls, offices, or schools, they're often built to mimic our form and size. Tesla has made a significant impact in the field of humanoid robotics with the launch of its Optimus robot, ready to shake things up. Unveiled at the company's AI Day in September, it's a versatile robot that can perform a wide range of tasks and has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing, logistics, and other industries. With its advanced sensors and control systems, the Optimus robot can navigate and interact with human-made environments with ease. According to Elon Musk, he believes that this robot will be worth more than Tesla's entire car business in the future. So don't be surprised if you see robots working alongside humans in factories, warehouses, and other industrial settings. The future is here and it's looking robotic. 2023 is shaping up to be a big year for the field of humanoid robotics as more companies enter the race to build these advanced machines. The market opportunity for humanoid robots is becoming more apparent, and more companies, both new startups and established players such as Toyota, Samsung, General Motors, and Panasonic, are expected to jump into the field. Like autonomous vehicles circa 2016, waves of talent and capital will start pouring into the field next year as more people come to appreciate the scale of the market opportunity. So there you have it, folks. The future is closer than we think, and it's packed with exciting possibilities. And it's not something to be feared but embraced. We can't wait to see what comes next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest in technology predictions and advancements.